Welcome back, students. My name is Nikita Gupta, your English teacher, and let us continue from the topic that we left off in the last class, which was articles a, an and the. इससे पहले हमने देखा था कि आर्टिकल्स ए, एन और द का यूज क्या होता है, कहाँ यूज करते हैं, कौन से ऐसे नाउन्स है जिनसे पहले हम ए, एन, द डिटर्मिनर यूज करते हैं. एंड नाउ वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग विद द टॉपिक ओमिशन ऑफ आर्टिकल, विच सिंपली मीन्स कि कौन से ऐसे नाउन्स है या व्हाट आर दोज प्लेसेस जहां आर्टिकल्स को यूज नहीं करते हैं एट ऑल. सो दैट इज व्हाट ओमिशन इज. ओमिशन मतलब ओमिट कर देना, बेसिकली टू स्किप, to miss the word or to not use the word. The very first rule that we are studying here is the names of languages. Basically जब किसी भी language की बात करते हैं, French, Japanese, Assamese, Gujarati, कोई भी language का जब name लेते हैं, so we write the name of the language as it is and we do not add a, an and the before it. For example, he speaks French, he speaks a French, he speaks the French. There is no need of an article because French in itself is a proper noun and it does not need an article to introduce itself. Similarly, but in the very next sentence, if you see, we writing the French we speak here is different. Now you will be thinking कि अभी तो आपने बोला कि languages के साथ articles नहीं use करते, but फिर the French क्यों use किया? Look at the context of sentence. The French we speak here is different. Here French is not referring to the exact entire language of France. Here the French we saying जो हम यहाँ पर French बोलते हैं सिर्फ वो different है. So I am referring to a particular dialect of the language. Look at the rule. Unless referring to some specific classes or some dialect. So I am not saying पूरी French language. I am saying वो French जो हम यहाँ बोलते हैं, that is different. But in the first sentence when I say he speaks French, I mean the general language French. Correct? Similarly, second rule is name of meals, which is जब भी आप किसी meal की बात करते हो, lunch, breakfast, dinner or brunch, whatever meal you are referring to is always used without the use of article. For instance, we had breakfast together. Now I cannot say we had a breakfast together or we had the breakfast together. I will simply say we had breakfast. Breakfast के साथ a और the दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं आता, और an as well. Correct? But the breakfast they served was amazing. Now here why the is used, very simple, because I am talking about that particular breakfast जो उन्होंने हमें serve किया and I am describing that it was amazing. When you're talking about a meal in general language, in general context, you do not use an article. और जब आप एक particular meal की बात करते हो, the dinner I had last night was amazing. Why the dinner? Because I am referring to one particular meal जो मैंने कल ली थी. So in general जब किसी meal का name use करते हैं, we do not use an article. Third rule is general places and concept. किसी भी जगह के बारे में जब आप generally बात करते हो, like school, hospital, jail, any place like a park or a temple, in general there is no use of an article. He is in school, he is in a school, he is in the school. Both are wrong because I know what a school is. It's a common place, everyone is aware कि school क्या होता है. So general use में आप school के साथ कोई article नहीं use करोगे. On the other hand, when I say the police put the thief in jail, similarly of jail, you don't need to describe the jail or a jail. Obviously the person has been put into jail and it's common sense कि jail क्या होता है. So in general जब किसी भी particular place के लिए आप बात करते हो, आप article नहीं use करते. Yes, if you are referring to that place in a particular sense, तो आप the use कर सकते हो और a use कर सकते हो. Otherwise, you simply omit the word. Fourth, whenever you're talking about a proper noun, now proper noun जैसे किसी person, place का name. For example, Rohit is in third class. Now, अब रोहित अपने आप में एक particular noun है. When I'm saying Rohit, I know who I'm talking about. So here with Rohit, the Rohit or a Rohit is not the right name. आप कभी देखोगे भी जब किसी का नेम लेते हो, किसी के बारे में कोई सेंटेंस when you make that up, you never add the Neha, the Namish. You do not use words like this when you're talking about some person. Or let's say Mumbai, if I have to say I went to the Mumbai. Now this is wrong. Mumbai does not need the before it because Mumbai in itself is a proper noun. So proper nouns, name of a particular place or a city or a country, I went to the Europe last summer. It is wrong. Why the Europe? Now when I say Europe, Europe is just one continent in the world. People are already aware कि यूरोप मतलब किस यूरोप की बात हो रही है. So ऐसे वर्ड्स के बिगनिंग में, ऐसे वर्ड्स के प्रायर में हम कोई भी आर्टिकल यूज नहीं करते हैं. Then next rule is before the names of individual mountain. अब ऐसा एक similar rule हमने लास्ट किया था. When you're talking about a mountain range, अगर आप एक पहाड़ की पूरी रेंज की बात करते हो, the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Aravallis, the Vindhyas, then you use the because you are referring to the particular range of mountain क्योंकि वो plural है. Himalayas, it's a plural word. But if you talk about one individual mountain, Mount Everest, अब माउंट एवरेस्ट एक माउंटेन का नाम है, माउंट K2, माउंट कंचनजंगा, माउंट कैलाश, माउंट फूजी. When you talk of one particular mountain in context, then you never use the before it. Reason? When I say Mount Everest, you know which mountain I'm talking about. हमें पता है कि हाँ एक ही माउंट एवरेस्ट है, एक ही माउंट फूजी है, एक ही माउंट कैलाश है. So there is no use of any article before individual name of mountain. And one last thing is before the name of relation, mother, father, brother, sister, friend. आप जब किसी भी रिलेटिव के रिलेशन के साथ अपना रिलेशन मेंशन करते हो, you do not use an article. For example, I will ask father if I can use his car. So when I say father, I know whose father. Of course, my father, right? Similarly, can you call mother to the phone? So I'm talking about my mother. Now it is very clear कि उस person का relation किसके साथ है, basis the use of the word in the sentence, and hence उस word को prior में कोई article नहीं चाहिए. The father, the mother refer नहीं करते unless you're talking about particular father. For example, if I say the father, that could mean the father as we use it in Christianity. So the relations will not have any other context and they will not use any other article before them until and unless referred to in a particular situation. Otherwise हम सिर्फ simply वो relation use करते हैं. In the last video we left some exercises to do. Let us take a look at those. Okay, let's take a look at these exercises where we have to appropriately use a particular article. I want dash orange from that basket. Now, keep in mind when you are solving an exercise of articles, आपको पूरा sentence देखने की need नहीं है. Just simply look at the main word after the blank. Yes, sometimes you might need to know the sentence for the context. Other than that, mostly you must need to know the word right after the blank. I want dash orange from that basket. Now, orange begins with a vowel. And look at the sound, orange. This is the sound of an vowel. So, we will simply use an. I want an orange from that basket. Secondly, dash school on the corner is progressive. Now, I am talking about a particular school which is in corner. अभी हमने पढ़ा normally हम places के साथ articles नहीं लगाते. But I am referring to a particular school जो यही कोने पर है. So here, because we're talking about a particular school, we use the. The school on the corner is progressive. Third, Miss Nina speaks dash Chinese. Now Chinese is a language. अभी हमने rule पढ़ा that languages के साथ कोई भी article नहीं आता. So this sentence is correct as it is. Miss Nina speaks Chinese, not a Chinese and not the Chinese. I borrowed dash pen from your pile of pencils and pens. Now I borrowed dash pen, एक pen, and P is a consonant, तो consonant के साथ I borrowed a pen. Fifth, one of the students said dash professor is late today. Now dash professor, when I'm saying the word professor, I am talking about one particular professor जिनकी अभी class है. So, of course, when you refer to one particular person, you will use the article the. The professor is late today, right? Moving on, next question. Sixth, Ellie likes to play dash volleyball. Now again, volleyball is a particular sport, and since it is not a proper noun, so I introduce it with an article the. जैसे just like we use the with the name of musical instrument. Ellie likes to play the volleyball. Then I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. Now continuing next, Ellie likes to play dash volleyball. Now again, when I say volleyball, I know which particular sport I'm talking about, and there is no particular need of using an article before it. So again, no article. Ellie likes to play volleyball. That is it. It's correct as it is. I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. Now umbrella is starting from a vowel, moreover also has a vowel sound, and hence and will be used. My daughter is learning to play dash violin at her school. Musical instrument, remember the rule of use of the. जब किसी musical instrument की बात करते हैं, always the is added. So she likes to play the violin because I am referring to a particular instrument, one out of many. Please give me dash cake that is on the counter. Now in general there is like, it's not a cake or it's an cake, it could be a cake or the cake, but I am talking about that particular cake जो counter पे रखा है. So please give me the cake on the counter. Cake के साथ a भी आ सकता है, but in this context look at it, I am referring to only that particular cake जो counter पर रखा है. Last, I lived on dash main street when I first came to town. Now main street here is a proper noun. Main street का मतलब main वाली street नहीं, main street यहाँ पर as it is एक जगह का नाम है. Why? How do we know this? Because it has begun with a capital letter. Like for example, I lived on London street when I first came to England. So the point is, it's referring to a particular place, and thus again there is no need of an article. अभी जो हमने last rule किया, that when you're talking about a proper noun, you will not use any article. Moving on, the second kind of determiners that we're supposed to do is demonstrative adjective. Now what are demonstrative adjective? ये word अपने आप में अपना meaning indicate कर रहा है. Demonstrative, demonstrate करने का मतलब होता है show करना, कोई चीज दिखाना. And if you're talking about something जो आपके सामने है, there are majorly 4 common words that you use: this, that, these and those. This, that, these and those. These are basically those words जो noun के आगे लग के nouns को modify करते हैं और ये indicate करते हैं पहले तो कि कोई चीज आपसे नियर है या आपसे फार दूर है. एंड अगर है तो क्या वो चीज सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है. दिस इज द ओनली यूज ऑफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. दे शो यू वेदर एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज नियर टू यू और फार फ्रॉम यू, और वेदर इट इज अ सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट और प्लूरल ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स सी द रूल. दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोज. दिस इज वेरी बेसिक, ये आपने पहले भी पढ़ा होगा. जब एक चीज की बात करते हैं और वो चीज आपके पास में है, यू यूज द. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस रूम इज स्पेशियस, विच मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रूम जो मेरे सामने है. दिस रूम इज स्पेशियस. सिमिलरली, अगर कोई चीज एक है और मुझसे दूर है, दैट ट्री इज टॉल, विच मीन्स आई एम सेइंग वो जो ट्री वहां पर है, दैट इज टॉल. इट इज फार अवे फ्रॉम मी एंड इट इज सिंगुलर. Continuing, these is used when we are talking about multiple things, more things than one, and the objects are near. These shoes are comfortable. Shoes मेरे पास है, that's what I'm talking about them. These shoes are comfortable. ये जो जूते अभी मेरे पास है, these are comfortable. Continuing, those again is used when objects are more in number and they are far away from me. Those hills are green. वो जो पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं दूर से, they are green in color. So remember, this and that are used for one thing, these and those are used for many things. This और that यूज होते हैं जब चीज आपके पास, this यूज होता है जब आपकी चीज पास में होती है. That is for things away from you. These again near, and those again which are far from you. So when you will do the exercises, just remember the context कि वो चीज पास में है या वो चीज अभी स्पीकर से दूर है. That is what you have to take care. Let's see an exercise quickly. Read through the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the most appropriate demonstrative determiners. Have you ever felt dash way before? Now obviously I'm talking about how the person feels right now. कि क्या तुम्हें पहले ऐसा कभी feel हुआ है? So ऐसा, which means I am talking about something which is near to me. Have you ever felt this way before? Continuing. Dash advice you gave me really helped. Let's translate it to Hindi. वो एडवाइस जो तुमने मुझे दी थी, अभी तो नहीं दे रहा वो एडवाइस, बिकॉज ही सेज वो एडवाइस ने मुझे हेल्प की, मतलब ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, पास्ट टेंस. तो वो जो एडवाइस तुमने मुझे दी थी, दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्ड मी. सो विच मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग विच हैज हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. और क्योंकि एडवाइस सिंगुलर है, एक एडवाइस है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट विद दिस. Do you know where dash files were stored? Now again talking about something in the past, but talking about it in the present. Do you know shows present tense. क्या तुम्हें पता है? और files means there we're talking about more than one object. ज्यादा चीजों की बात हो रही है, तो either we'll use these or we'll use that. क्या तुम्हें पता है कि ये फाइल्स कहाँ स्टोर की गई थी? So I'm talking about those files जो मेरे सामने हैं अभी, and since the object is near to me, we are going to use these with it. Can you tell me where to put up dash poster? क्या तुम बता सकते हो कि ये पोस्टर मैं कहाँ लगाऊं? Obviously मैं ये तो नहीं पूछूंगी यहाँ खड़े होकर कि मैं वो पोस्टर कहाँ लगाऊं. पोस्टर मेरे सामने है, मेरे हाथ में है या नियर टू मी है, तभी आई एम आस्किंग कि मैं ये पोस्टर कहाँ लगाऊं. एंड सिंस इट इज सिंगुलर, एक पोस्टर की बात हो रही है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दिस विद इट. Continuing, dash movie is definitely better than the other one we watched last week. We are comparing two movies. एक मूवी जो हमने पिछले हफ्ते देखी थी और दूसरी मूवी जो ऑफ कोर्स हम अभी देख रहे हैं. So I am talking about one movie जो मेरे सामने अभी है at present. So definitely this movie is definitely better than the one जो हमने last देखी थी. Sixth question is dash girls did put on a great show. Now गर्ल्स पहले तो ज्यादा है, सो ईदर इट इज दीज और इट इज दोस. दिस और दैट तो आ ही नहीं सकता. डैश गर्ल्स डिड पुट ऑन अ ग्रेट शो. इन लड़कियों ने बहुत अच्छा शो किया. द गर्ल्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. सो डेफिनेटली यू विल गो फॉर दीज, क्योंकि आपके सामने है. दीज गर्ल्स डिड पुट ऑन अ ग्रेट शो. हैव यू मेट डैश पर्सन हु स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मेन डोर. Now look here, it's about one person. या तो this आएगा या that आएगा, but we have the hint. Who's standing where? He's standing in front of the main door. वो person आपके सामने नहीं खड़ा. He or she is standing away from you. And when something is away or far, you use that. Have you met that person who's standing in front of the main door? All dash students who had not completed their assignments were asked to stay back at school and complete it. अब look at the noun students, ज़्यादा है, either these or those. अब again see the meaning of the sentence. वो सभी बच्चे जिन्होंने कंप्लीट नहीं की अपनी असाइनमेंट्स, उनको बोला गया स्कूल में रुक के कंप्लीट करनी है. all these students मेरे सामने नहीं है. मैं आई एम सेइंग हर वो बच्चा जिसका काम कंप्लीट नहीं था, वो सभी बच्चों को बोला गया, वो बच्चे जो भी यहाँ नहीं है प्रेजेंटली. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द चिल्ड्रन हु आर नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, अवे फ्रॉम मी, एंड हेंस दोज स्टूडेंट्स. आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट डैश डे. कौन सा डे फॉरगेट नहीं कर सकती? मैं ये वाला डे फॉरगेट नहीं कर सकती. आज जो मेरे साथ हुआ मैं ये कभी नहीं भूल सकती. कैन आ रहा है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, although it can be used for different contexts as well. I can never forget this day. Although इस सेंटेंस में क्योंकि एक आगे हिंट नहीं है तो that भी हो सकता था, but in general हम कब बोलेंगे कि मैं ये दिन नहीं भूल सकता? प्रेजेंट में, जब आपके साथ कुछ अच्छा या बुरा हुआ है. And continuing, most of dash newspapers have published the news of the annual film festival. Newspapers मतलब ज्यादा है एक से. मोस्ट ऑफ डैश न्यूज़पेपर्स, ज्यादातर जो न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं उन्होंने पब्लिश कर दिया. मोस्ट ऑफ दीज न्यूज़पेपर्स हैव पब्लिश नहीं, मोस्ट ऑफ. एक्चुअली यहाँ पर बेटर तो द आएगा, बट सिंस न्यूज़पेपर्स मेरे सामने हैं और हैव पब्लिश्ड, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस चल रहा है, सो डेफिनेटली थिंग्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड यू विल यूज these for it. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, नेक्स्ट हम देख लेते हैं